ahead.
Right here.
Oh no, we're driving, right? Going down the mountain?
Right there.
Who's that pink?
Right there.
Get the egg.
Look. Get it on the truck. There it is. Put it in the basket.
Yeah.
Look at Mom's car.
What's about Mommy's car?
Got a blue one. See it? Mom's car. Get it? His eye's not set up for it yet. Oh, he found that one.
Got it?
Look over here, buddy. Look over here. Look.
Got another one?
Put it in the basket.
Look, there's an easy one right there. Stick it straight up.
Over there. Look on the tires.
Oh, he sees one on the garage. Look on the fence.
See any more?
Look on the tires. Oh, look at that.
What color is that?
Blue.
Blue. Excellent.
See any more?
Blue?
Keep looking.
Yeah, get it. Go get it.
Gotta look everywhere.
He passed it.
Wait, 6 inches from his head.